Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast cover video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Toyotalandcruiser number 210 from Hotwheels Then and Now, and 194 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. And before I begin, you can see there, just gonna focus it in, TH logo, yes, TH logo over there as well, gray version. So this is a regular treasure hunt, but yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. This just for a heads up in case if you don't know, this is a regular. Quite a surprise for me as this is for a regular. Now I've never gotten a Land Cruiser, basically this version of the Land Cruiser before, which to me I would call it a farmer's truck. I don't know why. It just looks like what you would see in a farm where they would normally use, I guess, but typically not really. I don't think you normally use it for farms. I mean, like, they carry like boxes as well. I mean, like for like shipment, I guess, for like bringing containers, boxes, whatever you want to call it, like for cargo, I guess, but not heavy cargo, of course. So yeah, here's the Toyotalandcruiser. So this is the older generation, which I believe Hot Wheels never done it. I mean, this is like their, I don't know, third color, second color, I'm not sure. The first color was in blue, which I didn't get my hands on because it was too hard to get. But now I actually have it in actually this TH. I actually have two of these. I already have two of the same thing because I had to grab one more because obviously it's a TH, it's hard to get. And yeah, it's actually quite hard to like get it outside. So yeah, pretty interesting. It's a licensed model for a regular treasure hunt. It's hard to get regular treasure hunts as a like licensed model. But yeah, overall it's very cool. Let's take a look at the casting itself. So here it is, the Toyotalandcruiser. Now, I wouldn't say this is white. This is actually white-ish tan, I would say. It has slight tan color, as you can tell. So it's not typically white, if you're just wondering. So you have these massive wheels, which are like sort of 5 spokes with chrome linings right here, chrome silver linings. You have a tiny orange and brown stripe moving towards the front, and TH logo, just if you're wondering, there it is in brown. And a tiny Hot Wheels logo. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there it is. I'm not sure what color is that too. Maybe it's brown or maybe it's black. That's for the side. Moving on to the front, we do have the blinker details, headlight details, Toyota logo, Toyota front grille, I believe. And yeah, that's basically the details. You do have some thing at the front here. I'm not sure what is this. Hold on, let me check. Is it like, I think it's a guard. I mean, is it like a front guard? I'm not sure what is this for, I guess. I'm not sure, but yeah, you can let me know down in the comments. Or maybe it's like a tow hook, or it's like a tow bar. I'm not sure what's that for. Nothing on the hood or anything. Normal window tint. I believe that's a blacked out interior. Can't really see much. I think it is, but yeah, interesting. Nothing on the roof or anything. Pretty cool. Here's the side. Another TH logo right there, just if you're wondering. And yeah, let's move on to the back. Toyota logo. I mean Toyota embossed right there, which is cool. I think one of my lights just died. Never mind, we'll just move on. Toyota embossed right there. And yeah, you have the rear bed as well, as you can tell. This is plastic, by the way. Yeah, it is. Yeah, pretty cool. The back. Moving on to the base, you have Toyotalandcruiser 2020 Mattel and made in Malaysia. Yeah, black base, just if you're wondering. Okay, I believe it's half dark, but what can I do? My light just died. Okay, it's back. it won't be there for too long. But yeah, at least you can kind of see the car itself. Overall, a great TH, I would say. Many people are chasing after this because it's licensed, and another thing is people like the Land Cruiser a lot. There were a lot of requests originally for this Land Cruiser specifically, but yeah, as a TH, it's pretty cool. I mean, the color is great, and the fact there is a then and now, that means there should be another one, another Land Cruiser, I believe. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Toyota Land Cruiser. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below for this old classic truck. But yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.